Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to efficiently manage your tasks using the Asana app on your phone. If you often handle multiple projects or need better organization, learning to add subtasks can save time. First, open the Asana app on your phone. Once the app is open, navigate to the project that contains the task. Navigate to the task where you want to add a subtask. Next, scroll down and locate the option to add a subtask. Tap on Add a Subtask to begin creating your new subtask. Then enter the name of the subtask carefully, making it clear and descriptive so you can easily identify it later. Now tap on Create button. Once saved, the subtask will appear under the main task, helping you stay organized and focused on smaller actions within a larger project. If you found this video useful, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching,